Get ready for the latest mid-range smartphones from Samsung. These upcoming phones, the Galaxy A55 5G and Galaxy A55 5G, have been making appearances on various public certifications, sparking curiosity among tech enthusiasts. While we don't have all the specific details yet, here's what we know so far. Both phones have received certifications in various countries, hinting at global availability. The Galaxy A35 is rumored to support 25W wired fast charging with an EP-TA800 adapter. It's expected to feature a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The rear camera setup might include a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultrawide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. Under the hood, the Galaxy A35 could be powered by the Exynos 1380 processor, 6GB of RAM, and run on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6. Design-wise, it's likely to maintain the sleek aesthetics of its predecessor. As for the Galaxy A55 5G, it's expected to support 25W wired fast charging, sport a 6.5-inch Full HD plus OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and feature an AMD GPU paired with the Exynos 1480 processor. The camera setup may include a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultrawide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro camera. The front camera is expected to be a 32-megapixel sensor. Both phones promise to provide a smooth user experience with their performance, connectivity, and software features. While we eagerly await their official releases, stay tuned for more updates on these exciting mid-range smartphones from Samsung.